Good morning and welcome to YeeFit Adventures. My name's Darren. This channel's about backpacking, gear reviews, and finding your next adventure. We're out here on the cross-country alpine ski course trail. Probably doing about 10 miles today. A little bit of elevation gain and loss. We're roughly around 6,000 to 7,000 feet of elevation here at Lake Tahoe, so come join us. We are roughly 7 miles in. I'm out here with my brother-in-law and my nephew Jake. October time frame. Just celebrating my brother-in-law's birthday and getting some exercise. Current temps are in the 50s and 60s today, with lows in the 30s at night. But it's a beautiful day, a little warmer than expected, but great trail conditions. Alright, just stopping for a quick water break. Got my Camelback 1.5 liter. I got some electrolytes, some honey stinger lime flavor. Make sure to stay hydrated. Higher elevation. Whew, breathing hard. Alright, let's go. All right, it's about 9.5 miles in. We're almost done with our bike ride today. Just testing out the Hover X1. I'm just here at the junction right now. Just kind of taking a little break. There's a little old burnt out car right here. But just heading back to the checkpoint, the cross-country ski lodge, and let's go. So we're about 12 miles in, and just testing out the HoverAir Pro. Battery life is about 15 minutes, so you get about maybe 3 or 4 shots in. The battery just died, so it just kind of landed on the trail. Had to go back for it. So But we're gonna start heading back. Just a lot of rolling hills. Just crossing this little dam area. Beautiful views. Across here. Oh, we're make it across. Okay, that about wraps it up here at the Tahoe cross country ski lodge area. We just finished about 12 miles round trip. Great day to ride. Just catching my breath. But thanks for watching YeeFit Adventures. Till next time, take care, stay safe, and let's find your next adventure.